Welcome to another Inkwell lab experiment. We are going to show that a compound, potassium permanganate, can be broken down by heating, producing a gas and leaving a residue. Our apparatus and materials are potassium permanganate crystals. Test tube. A test tube holder. A Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. A wooden splint. Matches. Safety goggles and lab coats. Always remember to follow safety precautions. Always wear safety goggles and your lab coats. Handle a hot test tubes with a test tube holder. Do not point the open end of the test tube at anyone. Work in a well-ventilated area or under a fume hood.
Today, we are going to break down a compound using heat. This process is called thermal decomposition. We'll use potassium permanganate for this experiment.
Place a small amount, about half a teaspoon of potassium permanganate into a clean test tube. Secure the test tube using a test tube holder, angled slightly away from people.
Heating the compound. Now, let's apply heat to the compound and observe what happens.
Light the Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. Gently heat the part of the test tube containing the potassium permanganate. Observe carefully.
Observe the changes as the compound heats up, it breaks down. Watch for color changes and any gas released.
The dark purple crystals will begin to decompose, forming brown/black manganese dioxide and releasing oxygen gas.
Test for the gas. Let us test if the gas produced is oxygen. We will use a glowing wooden splint.
Light a wooden splint, then blow it out so it is glowing, not burning. Quickly insert the glowing splint into the mouth of the test tube. If it relights, it confirms the presence of oxygen.
In conclusion, potassium permanganate decomposes when heated. It produces a gas, oxygen, and a dark residue. This shows that a compound can be broken down into simpler substances by heating.
Thermal decomposition of potassium permanganate produces oxygen gas and manganese dioxide, proving that compounds can be chemically broken down by heat.
And that brings us to the end of today's experiment. We saw how potassium permanganate breaks down with heat to release oxygen gas, proving just how powerful chemistry can be. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more exciting science adventures with Inkwell Labs. Got questions or ideas for the next episode? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep experimenting. #Inkwell Labs.